Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 22nd. This is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're on the 4-hour time frame to start with. So on the US dollar CAD, this looks to me like the end of a pullback on the longer time frames. If it is, then it's likely going to take out both of these previous swings. Now, that doesn't mean we couldn't get some moves to the downside, but that means that if we do get some moves to the downside, it's likely just a pullback within an uptrend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, we had this big impulsive move down last week, but honestly, with this 1, 2, 3 wave move right here and this big move down, that could be like a running ABC correction right there for sure. If it is a running ABC correction, it may just keep on going up. Even if it does, decide to make a bigger move, like this is an A, a B, and a C, I would still be looking at that move down as possibly just a pullback within an uptrend anyways. So for me personally, the strategy for me is to either be waiting for a decent pullback to go long again, or potentially already be in a long and waiting for an exit. Either way, if this is the end of a pullback over here, we should definitely be looking for longs in an uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.